Okay, how are we looking? Are you looking good?
I look great.
Your hair's so black.
I know.
It'll pop out.
I don't mind.
When the game's in, but
It is
you
dark.
look good.
It is dark naturally.
You look good. I look really light. I think I'm gonna go change too. I'll figure it out.
That is true. Maybe you should put a dark hoodie on, or no, put whatever you want on. When you put the game in the back, it'll look really good.
You still are so close. Hi. Oh my gosh, subscription.
I'm going to drink coconut water because coconut makes you fart.
I tested out.
It makes taste buds happy.
I think it needs to be bigger.
You're welcome.
It's really tiny.
Vida Coco. Okay. We're gonna act like this is okay. This is not okay.
I'm gonna pretend like it tastes fine.
It tastes like someone milked a coconut.
You put the lime in the coconut.
Oh. Coconut water? Why?
Okay.
I just had to try it. Chill it. Don't spill it.
Okay, so that's sub. This is. Oh, yeah, this is a new follower.
This is torture. It's like a sweet. Okay. It tastes like cereal milk. That's what I have to say about that.
This is too long. You're too long. You're too long of a song. Hold on.
Me all night. Us all night on her stream tonight on Twitch.
We're back. Can you, like, pin the username?
Sure.
Oh, I'm just...
Let's try it.
I get to go...
That's all I got.
Can you, like, tap it? Nope.
Got it.
So, no, wait a second. Digging in that last video.
I put this shit.
Okay. There we go. Oh, that's right. You got banned off of Twitch. Or, TikTok.
TikTok, yes ma'am.
And mine just got banned.
Dude, this shit is really making me burp, and I only took 2 sips. It's gonna be a long night. Wow.
Take this out.
Wow.
No more. No more. Capybara. Capybara, 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 capybara.
It's not really aimed at me, but
Crab rave. See,
that looks so funny. I love
Look
that.
at my forehead. It's shining.
Just sit up straight.
just ignore it. I think it'll look fine with the headphones on.
Somebody was like, well, your head's a heart. I'm like, it's embarrassing. Hi.
Hey, you.
What is that one?
Oh.
It says Super John.
Super John.
Somebody said hi. Well, I know who it is.
Hey.
It's Numbers.
Numbers. Let's go.
We're drinking Coca D's nuts water. Well, I am.
Coconut D's.
Coconut. Coconut.
Coca
Coca D's nuts.
Coca D's nuts.
Water.
What the fuck was that?
Yo, you that girl with the Mario hat.
Oh god, I look dumb. Capybara, 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 capybara.
I got banned off TikTok.
No, this is bad.
I love this look for you with the pigtails. Put some red bows in there.
No, I'm Italian.
I
Ow! My earball!
promise I won't do that again.
You come to me at the day of my stream.
The day of my return.
The day of my return.
Oh, I did it 94.
They lied to your ass. Owen Wilson, wow. Wow.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
It's the dicks.
Where he just goes, dicks! I can hear myself.
I got my live suspended, that's all, until the 31st. And we go out on the 1st. And I'm gonna go live when we go out. So it's perfect timing. Her account got banned.
No, it got taken down.
It got taken down.
Because of my age.
Yeah, they don't
They
think
wanted
she's
me to
21.
they wanted me to verify my age.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck that. I'm not bringing my account back.
We don't need you, TikTok.
Yeah, ticky dicky.
Duh. Sorry, the lighting right now. Hold on, I can make it better. Jess.
Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh. Okay, what else do we need to do? God, got me distracted now.
I'm just trying to... Don't know anything about that one. Thank you. We love you guys.
Leave it, but it's so long. I don't know how to change it.
So is our new video. It's so long. You should buy it.
Long. Dude. Killing it. What is this one? I don't remember doing.
That's a cool one.
Mission failed successfully. I don't know. I think I did use that on something.
Well,
No one's gonna give subs anyway, so I'm
coconut water. I'll give that a couple stars.
Can we get better lighting? The lighting is good. I swear it's okay.
On
right?
Twitch is perfect.
I don't know. We'll have to debate
For right
that
now,
one.
you're just gonna have to suffer.
Yeah, follow the
Turn
Twitch.
the brightness up on your phone.
Follow the Twitch. We're on it.
Yeah, come over to her Twitch. We're gonna be streaming all night.
I mean, we're not live yet.
We're just doing the before the show. Right?
Yes.
The before the show.
I gotta get shit back in order.
This is the before the show. I don't know yet. I want to think that coconut water, because when I had that Coke on Twitch the other night, the Rosalia Coke with coconut, that shit was making me burp so loud. Dude, the coconut water.
Okay,
But I've also had a few beers, and we had nachos for dinner. It could be any of those things. So. But the coconut water, if you Google it, it says it makes you fart and stuff, so.
What the fuck? What am I moving? What are you?
Don't put me in there.
Yeah, but where?
In the title.
Why?
Wow. Why? I don't know. You don't have to, is all I was saying. I'm a nobody. This is your stream. This is your return.
Look, this is the notification they'll get.
Aww.
And then this is just the title of the video. I can always change it.
You're right.
You're
Why am I
right.
tripping?
Of course I'm right. You come to me with the screen. You tell me you gonna sit there and tell me that I'm wrong? You gonna tell me that I'm wrong? Wrong.
Wait. Oh, man.
We did that at the same time. Twinsies! Okay, I can delete this group.
Hey, everybody.
I can't remember.
Oh, yeah, I know. I'm just like...
Chicken attack.
It's really not doing so well for us.
Repercussions. I need you. No, I need you. I need you to be on. Oh! She just spilled her beer! Not on my blanket, though.
All on my...
Ew, it's on your toes, dog. Who's licking them toes?
God darn it.
Darn it.
Darn it, darn.
Oh, it smells like yeast. You know what I mean? Aww. Take out.
Now I'm gonna get a yeasty.
Sorry, it's not funny joke. How dare! Damn it! No. How do I get out of these settings? Did I just power it off?
Oh, good Lord.
Oh, lordy. Lordy, did I turn 40? I need out. Thank you. Oh, that's fine. Hell yeah, that popped off today. I couldn't find it.
Well, I actually didn't spill that much.
It was just all over your toes.
It just got all over me.
Yeah, it popped up when I was moving the chair, and I started crying.
Numbers, shut up. Dude, hold me back. I'm gonna kick his fucking ass.
Not happening. ¿Dónde está? Ah, sí. Oh.
Well, now I have to chug it. Party foul. So.
Did I chug it up again?
Well, let me make sure.
Okay.
It's so cold. See, proves to you, I didn't even spill that much. No, we don't, but they kind of are you should check out my sister's. Hold on. Oh, you already did see it probably on the preview. Show them your nails.
Oh. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. Oh my god, this latency is fucking killing me. Die. Thank you. Chicken attack. Okay, she's in.
Wow.
That's what she said.
Gosh darn it. Oh shit, tearing the setup.
Dude,
I'm not.
tearing the setup. Yes, queen. Do we have volume? Do we not get volume? What are you connected to if you are not connected to my PC?
Uh-oh. Okay, I didn't spill that much on me after all. It's pretty dope.
No bueno. Hassan. I kill. I die. You disconnect. You don't even know what you're talking about. You don't even know what you are. Remove device. Yes.
Computer.
Just like that. I break system. Snapped right into him. Okay, we're good. We're Gucci gamers. Go back under there where you belong. You get flipped.
Well, I better chill it, don't spill it. That's what it says. Did you get it working?
I don't know. We're about to see. Do I have volume? I do not. You are not here, nor. What is happening? What are you doing? What am I witnessing right now? Ah, I see.
Oh, guess which game Numbers wants to play? Of course he fucking does.
Oh my god.
Guess. Just
I
guess.
don't know.
Take a wild fucking guess.
Pac-Man.
You're really close.
Tetris.
It's just
Dr.
with the
Mario.
name. Pico Park.
Crazy.
Just kidding, Numbers.
I'm struggling. Image slide. Need a slideshow.
Oh man, the lighting on here is perfect for it.
I can't.
I don't know about prettiest. Yeah, I'm sorry about the lighting. Sorry about the lighting sitch.
What am I fucking missing?
What happened?
Oh, people are following. Thanks for the follow, whoever. Here we go. God damn.
Oh yeah, that's CJ.
Fucking Christ, that took me forever.
All streamers.
I wanna die. Alright, this is
Thank you for following. We're gonna be live soon. We're gonna play some Smash
I know
together.
why I'm not getting fucking volume. God damn it. FML. Oh, still not getting volume. Okay.
You could try to reset everything. Like reset, not that. Reset this and.
I also don't have a mic set up for some fucking god reason.
Who, me? Maybe. Oh, this stuff sucks. Woo. Coconut water sucks. Me either, dude. I'm torturing myself right now. I just wanted to try it.
Chatting right now.
What?
Someone is in chat.
Dude, it's our homies. It's our homies. It was just saying it followed you. I think.
Yeah, you're right. I'm tripping. What are you? Sound alerts? Okay, this all needs one fucking before I need peace.
It's hard. It's a really. This is very coconutty. The flavor is very intense. It's not my thing. I do have this flavored coconut like fruit punch. It's like a Gatorade thing. I forget what it's called.
Prime.
No, but we do have Prime. Prime has coconut water too. I think, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna end up fucking this shit. Audio input capture. Okay. You. I think I got it. But why can't I hear it? There we go. Let's fucking go. Okay. Desktop audio. You don't need to be on here. Okay, we just need. We need this. We need mic. Okay. Should be good. Stop recording. File. Stop recording.
Take all the time you need. We're not in a hurry or anything.
Gucci. This is setted good. We have sound alerts,
Your camera's way better than mine.
chat.
I need your camera. I don't know why I bought my shitty ass camera.
You, me.
I'm so annoying.
We should be set.
Hey,
Yeah, hey, what? Hey, can I have my ponytail back?
no.
Okay, but the only issue I have is audio. Audio.
Can we flip mine? I think.
Girl, I flipped yours.
No.
What
Not
are you
on
talking
this
about?
screen, you didn't.
Oh my god, I had it the fucking right way.
Oh.
It's okay, hold on, I think I still have it.
I'm sorry. I'm fucking your shit up. Aw.
Okay, we'll delete that one. And then... Oh, I don't know what the... I don't know what the one
Oh, there we go. That's perfect.
do. Now... Follow. Assuming it's from them. Thank you guys for following because now I can see how big the chat is. Adjust it.
That's what's up.
I think the chat needs to be above us. It'll just have to be in front of you. But we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it so it doesn't cover your face, but it's gonna chill down there. I think it's eligible. Stop recording. You.
I'm gonna keep banging up against this stupid desk.
Bitch, don't come at us, stupid. I'll beat you
No,
up.
I didn't mean it like that. I just meant like, oh my god.
I think we're Gucci with that. Okay. Now, audio.
No audio. Here, yeah.
Can I split?
Do we
the
need
audio?
snacks?
Can I split the audio? Can I split the audio?
You don't have to.
Can I split the audio? Because, like, the sound alerts and everything, they're gonna play too loud. Which device? Can I do both?
Daddy, what's wrong? I think you guys will find out on the stream. She's just saving it for the stream. It's the coconut water from me. The nachos and coconut water. And beer.
Don't mind my boomer ass. I only learned by videos.
I'm not even paying attention. With peace and love. I'm just focusing on the record right now. I'm not focusing on anything else. I'm just focusing on making them loud.
This guy.
Loud and proud.
He's so funny.
That's it.
God.
Now you ready for the day.
Is this not up all the way? Oh my god.
Hulk want loud and proud. Me? Yeah. Bo Show. I was streaming the other day. She's gonna be burping a lot on Twitch tonight. I promise you're gonna see great shots of it on her Twitch tonight. The light is really... I promise. I can see it, a preview of it right here, and it looks great. Nice and bright.
I don't know what the fuck these headphones are from. Vietnam. Check audio.
In that new video we made, we did the alphabet burp race. Hey Jack, what's up?
Moment of trufa.
The coconut water. Wow, this is a different Jack. Try coconut water. Dude. Anything with coconut in it. Coconut water. Oh, hey, Danny, you're back. It's our new one. It's $50. We're drinking White Claws and just having a good time. Oh no way, sick. Work very well, Jack. And I've also heard. Oh hey, buddy.
How's it going?
Great. What's up?
Nothing.
This is Jack the Belcher. He just like sick, didn't he? We were talking a little bit today.
What are you guys doing?
She's about to go live on Twitch, so we're just setting up real quick and inviting people to come watch us.
Nice. Very cool.
Jack, do you drink coconut water?
I love coconut water.
I've just found out that it makes me burp a lot.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
You said you're not a fan?
No, I'm not.
Bummer.
But I'll drink it anyway, you know.
What makes you burp the best?
Um, anything alcoholic,
Oh, really?
but soda. Yes. Food. Anything acidic.
Gotcha. Well, I don't want to interrupt your live and annoy your followers and stuff. I just thought I'd say hi.
Thanks for stopping by.
I appreciate you letting me in.
Great night.
You too. Oh, I got stuck.
Nice.
I'll talk to you soon.
Peace, buddy.
Bye.
Very soon. Her live starts very soon. Okay.
But I think the best option for us is to share these headphones.
Yeah, I don't need to, share headphones. I don't need to hear. I can hear, pretty well without,
Well, if I have these in, you're not going to be able to hear anything. That's what I'm saying. Just
Why can't we? Okay.
it's going to pick up on the mic
Yeah.
because we have it all the way up. It's going to echo, and I'm not.